To make it truly dark progression-like, you simply need to delete this note. Triad chords are built from a root, then you skip a scale note and place a note, and then skip a scale note and place a note. And for dark melodies, an effective trick is to simply delete the third. This creates what's called a power chord, and it can help your melody go from this to this. But that's just one out of 5 important things to know. The second one is the progressions you use. Every genre has a few sets of chords that get used all the time. And for this style of dark melodies, here are a few examples of commonly used progressions. And here are the chords if you don't know music theory. And if we pick one of these progressions, and apply rule number 2, which is voice leading, which simply means moving the notes of your chords around so the jump between them is not as big. And then apply rule 3. And now rule 4 is to simply double these notes so the progression has more weight, especially on the low end. And finally, the last rule is to add minor second intervals, which, if you don't know music theory, basically means to make use of these tension notes here in your scale. And if you remember, our tonic chord had the third here, right on a tension note. So if you move this an octave up and create an arpeggio out of it, to conserve the power chord in the beginning, we get this.